Magelica and Moscow.
Hi guys, welcome back again to our channel. So since we have 2 days remaining staying here in Phuket before our flight, we decided to go back again in Rawai Fish Market to have our lunch. So we wanted guys to spend all the remaining days here in Phuket. So kakain kami ulit ng seafoods. We was here last time. How much is that one? Oh.
I show you na ka, kamakta.
Oh. We need two like this, the same size.
More big, okay. Any more big na? More than big.
You want like this one? The same size?
That okay.
It's okay.
Yes, same.
Same price?
Yeah.
It's 1,109.
1190 na.
Okay, 1,190 baht.
Some calamari, fish. You want check a fish?
So this one guys is amounting to 1,190 baht in every each of the gram. So I'm not sure how much kilogram is it.
About 900 gram.
It's almost about 1 kilogram each. So this one guys will be trying to fry lobster.
700.
Kilogram daw.
1 kilo about 15%.
So how many kilo you want?
1 kilogram.
1.
1 kilo. Tôi chưa mặt cho tôi bảo. Tôi tất cả là bao nhiêu?
You want big? How many? How much?
Like one for me, one for mom.
1 kilo ka 400 150. 1 kilo mini a lot ha?
By the way guys, we added also some clams to our purchase, which is about $6 per kilogram, and seller was very kind and accommodating. She even gave us a discount. Right now guys, we're wrapping up the total for the seafood we pick up and figuring out the cost. The only thing that's a bit pricey is the lobsters, which we kind of anticipated. So guys, we will going now to the restaurant where we can cook our food. So all the payment for that seafood is 3,510 baht. So now we can see the
Maybe this restaurant here. Maybe the other side. Okay.
By the way guys, since this is our second visit to Rawai Fish Market and we've decided to check out some different restaurants this time around, and if you missed our first experience, no worries, I'll be dropping the link below of this video so you can catch up. But I don't know what kind we will have.
Squids?
First food.
We will watch.
Huh? For recommendation. Here, because you can see it's red lobsters.
Want try with some sauces.
Squid?
Squids. I don't like it dry.
What kind? Stir fries with Magelica curry, with hot basil, stir fry, squid salad. And in terms of the cooking charge, I noticed that the price is the same as the last place we visited. However, this time, there's a 10% service charge added on. So guys, we are just waiting for our food to be served. Actually, we tried this different restaurant. Unlike on the first time we visit the Rawai market. So I'm quite excited because this is my first time to try lobsters. So aside from lobsters, we order also some shrimps, mussels, and no, it's clam, right? The small one, and squid again. So samahan nyo kami guys kumain ng lobster. It's really a perfect timing. The weather today is bright and sunny, much better than last time when the sea was cloudy and overcast. To enjoy now because in 2 days we will go back to Moscow.
Yeah.
You need to eat all what you want
days.
here.
Or 2.
2 because we will be leaving Phuket in 1 day because we need to transfer hotel near airport.
Morning food.
So you need to eat all Asian food that you want to eat because soon.
Especially I want Indian food.
Why?
At the beach. I want to try like one big plate with a lot of small dishes.
Indian food?
Indian food.
You need to wake up tomorrow more early.
No. Да.
I want to go to Beach Utra
Let's go tomorrow in the morning.
morning, but you need to wake up very early.
But all restaurants opening after 10 or 12.
Finally, our food is served. So this is the shrimps, tempura, lobsters,
For us.
and for parents. So our order is complete. We're just waiting for the rice, of course. What can you say about for the shrimps?
So delicious.
This is tempura.
More delicious
Than last time. Now let's try our first bite to our lobsters. So this is the sauce. All tinkles na. Sarap. Very good sauce. This one. Look our food guys, no more. Do you like your food?
So much, especially shrimps. Maybe 10 to 1 to 10, 10.
Oh.
What
Lobsters.
is lobster? 10, 9 or 10.
Really,
Like-
your skin
like
very
second.
dark already.
Like your, maybe the same?
The same already with my skin. I'm so much full. I need to stand. My belly was too much big.
See, very good to you.
So guys, we just finished our lunch and we are so much full.
Oh my.
So now we will go in to have a quick walk from the sea. Very good weather today actually. Here is possible you can walk, do picture, or you can see guys, the very good weather. It's very hot. I did not bring. Really, I did not bring my shoes for today.
I didn't bring to.
I don't know when to go back because it's hot already. I think on the other side, they sell souvenirs. So we're trying to find guys where we can buy souvenirs like refrigerator magnet if possible we can find here.
I do like that. That one.
So you will buy that one for your friends?
For friends, from work.
This one, if you will do figure it, but that's possible. You should buy like this. Enough, maybe.
Enough.
Enough. In the afternoon guys, around 5 p.m., we thought it would be nice to take a walk on the beach and catch up the sunset. This is actually our first time visiting the beach in the afternoon during our stay here. Normally, we came here in the morning but we wanted to try something different since we have just a little days left staying here. So pagdating namin guys sa dagat, may mga tao pa din pero since it weekdays, walang activity. Usually weekends yung mga night beach activities dito and aside from that, sa kabilang side pala yung view ng sunset. This is one thing that my Russian family gonna miss for sure. Actually, almost everyday silang napunta dito and there are times na hindi ako nakakasama pag minsan sobrang aga nila nagigising and nasa beach na sila. Which is, I totally understand. Sa Russia nga naman, madalas malamig ang panahon so they are just taking the time enjoying the vacations. And additionally guys, you can only swim here until 6 p.m. and when you hear the lifeguards blow their whistles, that means everyone needs to get out of the water. So it's exactly 6 p.m. now and we can hear the lifeguards whistle, which means swimming time is over. We're heading home too and we had a pretty heavy seafood lunch. So for our dinner, we're thinking something lighter. We'll probably just order some food through Grab. So we go home now guys. We take a look again on the beach but it's afternoon. And I think it's more good because it's not hot. But without any activity, I think during the weekends they have. Do you think?
I think we have fire show.
You can see, oh. Like jungle.
and roosters.
No, it's like, I don't know.